To change postage on Vinted, start by accessing the website through a web browser. Type Vinted into the search bar and select the first option, Vinted.com. This will take you to the Vinted website, where you can see various options such as the catalog, search bar, inbox, notifications, favorites list, profile, and language settings. To proceed, click on Sign In and enter your login credentials, including your name or email and password. Once logged in, you will have access to your account homepage. To change postage, click on your profile and then select Settings. In the Settings menu, you will find options such as Profile Details, Account Settings, Postage Payment, Bundle Discounts, Notifications, Privacy Settings, and Security. Click on Postage to toggle delivery options on or off, or to change your shipping address if you have already added one. You can then adjust these settings as needed.